Okay guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our expert will be teaching you about planning and choosing your funnel type. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Okay guys, so we'll be using ClickFunnels for this training since it's arguably the most well-known and widely used platform out there. The first thing we're going to do is have a look at all the different kinds of funnels there are to choose from, and then we'll plan our own. As you can see, there's no shortage of types of funnels you can build. We've got invisible funnels, which consist of content being delivered first and then asking for payment on the next page if they liked it. Not many have heard of that one. We've got video sales letter funnels that are heavily reliant on sales videos. We've got lead magnet funnels where you're offering something for free in return for an email opt-in. We've got reverse squeeze page funnels, which deliver content first and then ask for an email opt-in, yet another unique type. We've got the two-step tripwire that allows you to pitch a low-ticket offer followed by upsells. We've got the bridge funnel where you collect a lead and then move them onto another funnel like an affiliate offer. We've got a sales letter funnel, a more traditional funnel consisting of long-form sales pages. We've got auto webinar and live webinar registration and attendance funnels, great if you're selling high-ticket items. We've got hero funnels that really stress your personal brand. Survey funnels, where you can learn more about your visitors and then redirect them to an offer based on their answers. Ask campaign funnels, a trending type that helps you figure out what your audience wants. Homepage funnels, which are meant to sort of mimic the role of traditional websites, but funnel people into your offers. Application funnels are great for qualifying potential coaching or high-ticket service clients. Daily deal funnels are all about getting new customers with irresistible offers. Membership funnels designed to sell products and get people into your members areas. The product launch funnel, a series of video pages designed to prep people for a big launch by the end, pioneered by Jeff Walker, of course. Live demo funnels are great for showcasing and demoing your products or services. Storefront funnels designed to mimic the look and feel of an e-commerce store before funneling people through to your core offers. Summit funnels, perfect for getting big names together in one online event. Cancellation funnels, a great way to try and keep people from jumping ship, as well as learning why they wanted to. And the squeeze page funnel, an opt-in funnel that leverages the power of ultra minimalism and curiosity to get opt-ins. Now, if you're overwhelmed, don't worry. You don't need to worry about the vast majority of these yet. If you're just starting out with funnels or just starting out with business online in general, there's only a handful you really need to worry about. At the end of the day, it depends on what you have and how you want to give it to the world. So, do you have a book, an ebook? Do you have a video course? Do you have knowledge that could easily be turned into a book or a video course? Do you have a high-ticket offer that you want to sell via a long webinar presentation? Of the things you have, do you want to give one of them away for free for the sake of lead generation? Which one? For our purposes, I think we'll say we're going after the most accessible and common scenario. We have a free gift, and we have a product we want to charge money for. Now for that type of funnel, I'm actually going to click up here on Classic Funnel Builder. I'll click Sell My Product, and I'll choose the good old-fashioned sales funnel. I'll give it a name, and I'll hit Build Funnel. But before we actually get into that, before we start designing the funnel, we need to start figuring out, of the things we have, what do we want to give away for free, and what do we want to sell? That's all part of crafting and splintering, which is what we're going to cover in the next module.